In this video, I'll show you how to create a Phantom wallet account in your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and download the Phantom wallet app on your mobile device. So go to your Player App Store and search for Phantom wallet. And now you want to click on the purple Phantom wallet here by Phantom Technologies Inc. Go ahead and install. It's got over 1 million downloads and 11,000 reviews. So I'm going to click on install. So that's going to download and install this app on my phone. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and click on open. All right, as you can see, it's downloaded and installed. So I'm going to click on open. And now from here, you want to click on create a new wallet. And you can choose to protect your wallet. So adding a biometric security will ensure that you are the only one that can access your wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and enable this. I'm going to authenticate, and then I'm going to click onto next. And now on this page here, you got your secret recovery phrase. So this is the only way you will be able to recover your account if you ever lose it or lose your password, etc. So please store it somewhere safe. So go ahead and copy this to clipboard or write it down physically and put it somewhere safe. Once you have done that, click on OK. I have saved it somewhere. Click on yes. And then we'll move on to the next stage. So there you go, you're all done. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. So click on the I agree to the terms of service. Click on get started. I'm going to authenticate. I'm going to click on not now.